Hey everyone, thanks so much for checking out this video. Today I am super excited to be sharing with you this 24-inch Kinkystraight U-part wig from Wiggins hair. I will leave all of the links in the description box about how you can purchase this wig directly and how you can go ahead and look up Wiggins hair. So for this install, I wanted to keep it very simple, like no braids, anything like that. So here I'm just sectioning off my leave out, and I honestly could have left out less hair, but I'm just so used to leaving out a lot with my quick weaves, or if I ever do a sew in, I always leave out so much hair. But definitely with this wig, you do not need a lot of leave out at all. This wig is super thick. Again, keeping it really simple, I'm just taking the hair that will not be left out and brushing it into a little low bun to put up under my wig. For the install, I'm just going to place the wig on my head and bring the clips all the way up to my parting spaces. And the clips are kind of like just the clamp clips. So I just bring them up to the part and just clamp it right down by as close as I can get it to the parting space. although I love the look of this wig and the texture, it just wouldn't be me if I didn't add a few curls to it. So here I'm just going to go ahead and style the wig. I'm just adding a few curls to it, well, a lot of curls. And this hair definitely, I wouldn't really straighten it, but I would definitely, you can add curls to it and they came out really nice. But just straightening the wig, I wouldn't do. It doesn't really get that straight. But for like a blowout type of look, this is the perfect wig. Or just like if you have really thick hair and you don't straighten it all the time, like my hair is heat damaged, so of course my hair is a lot thinner than this wig would be. But if you typically don't straighten your hair, this wig would probably match your hair perfectly. It reminded me of like being in my younger days when I would get my hair straightened for special occasions and it wouldn't really flat iron that straight. It reminded me of that when I put the curls in. So this is the perfect wig for like a natural hairstyle. If you don't want to press your hair out too hard, this wig is perfect. So before I go ahead and curl the other side of my hair, I just wanted to share with you guys how the wig looks without any heat to it. I think starting off with a light press or a blow dry would definitely give you a better blend with the hair. But even here, I think it looks really nice. The hair is super full and super long. and I love that about the hair. It looks very natural, so I would definitely recommend this wig. Again, check out the description box if you are interested.